Check out this Civivi. They call this one the Faeger. So let's go ahead and open this up. Comes in a box. Inside the box, we're going to find a nylon pouch with the Civivi logo. This is a zippered pouch with like a fur lining. We've got the Civivi logo sticker. That's pretty cool. We've got a warranty. We've got a microfiber cloth with their logo on it. A catalog with some of their other products. We've got a knife sticker with one of the really neat knives, and then we've got the knife itself. The Faeger has a really nice texture on this G10 handle. This is their natural. I think it looks kind of like a jade color. This one is a button lock, so very easy to open and close. We've got thumb studs on it, so you can open it that way. And then we've got the flipper on the back with the ceramic bearings. Makes it real easy to open this one. That button lock makes it real easy to close with either hand. It has a clip for tip-up carry, and it looks like that can be reversed to either side. Really looking forward to this one. I like the shape of the blade. I like that grind. I really like the handle and the texture on the handle. I'm liking more and more. I didn't see that in the picture when I first saw it, and that texture really is cool. Hope this helps.